Alrighty, so now you have your portafilter with your puck of coffee properly tamped and everything in there ready to brew up. What I like to do every time is first, before inserting the portafilter, flush a little bit of water through the group head, which is going to rinse out used grinds and stuff like that, rinse out the screen in here just for a few seconds. Insert the portafilter. This is where your timer comes in, and for a double espresso, 2 shot glasses. So I'll make sure they're under there so they can catch the shots, and your timer, and hit the lever and your timer at the same time. The reason I use the timer is to watch your shots and find the right time, length of extraction that you're going to want your espresso. This was just right around 20 seconds, and a lot of the time I would want that a little longer. So in order to do that, I would grind the coffee a little bit finer and repeat the same steps. But now with this shot, you can pour both of these into the demi-tasse glass that you would serve the double espresso in. And then there you have a double espresso. And this is what it should look like. Here in the top of the cup you have, this is called, the top layer here is called crema. And it's that nice hazel like golden brown. And that's the sign of a good shot of espresso. And below that, then you're going to have the black liquid.